Ang English lesson na ito ay tungkol sa salitang might o baka sa Tagalog. Might. Ang might ay isang modal verb na ginagamit para indicate ang posibilidad na mangyari o hindi mangyari ang isang bagay dahil wala itong kasiguraduhan. Bago tayo pumunta sa mga example sentences, merong ilang bagay tayong dapat tandaan. Dahil nga modal verb ang might at hindi naman action word, hindi ito dapat nilalagyan ng S. Ang verb na laging kasunod ng might ay yung basic form, meaning yung root word ng verb. For example, might go, might stay, might work. So, yung mga verbs na ito ay walang S, walang ing, walang ed sa dulo kasi nga basic form. Pwede rin gamitin ang might sa adjectives, as in might be plus adjective. Example, might be wrong, might be tight, might be far, etc. Kung sa tingin naman natin ay hindi mangyayari ang isang bagay, gamitin natin ang negative form nito na might not be. Ang first sentence natin ay, your phone might be in the living room. Your phone might be in the living room. Meaning, baka nasa sala ang telepono mo. She might be at home. She might be at home. Baka nasa bahay siya. She's not here. She might have gone to the market. She's not here. She might have gone to the market. Wala siya rito. Baka nagpunta siya sa palengke. Take an umbrella. It might rain later. Take an umbrella. It might rain later. Magdala ka ng payong. Baka umulan mamaya. She said that it might not be true. She said that it might not be true. Sabi niya, baka raw hindi totoo yon. The dog might bark if we pass by the gate. The dog might bark if we pass by the gate. Baka tumahol ang aso kapag dumaan tayo sa gate. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Ang ganda niyan, pero baka naman napakamahal niyan. I might watch another episode. I might watch another episode. Baka manood ako ng isa pang episode. He might sell his car. He might sell his car. Baka ibenta niya ang kotse niya. If I didn't have work, I might go with you. If I didn't have work, I might go with you. Kung wala akong trabaho, baka samahan kita. She might not like this. She might not like this. Baka hindi niya magustuhan to. Corazon might not have the key. Corazon might not have the key. Baka wala kay Corazon ng susi. There might not be anyone in the house. There might not be anyone in the house. Baka walang tao sa bahay. I might well regret it later. I might well regret it later. Baka pagsisihan ko lang yan. Bernadette might be angry with you. Bernadette might be angry with you. Baka galit sa'yo si Bernadette. He might have forgotten. He might have forgotten. Baka nakalimutan niya. I might move to Cebu next month. I might move to Cebu next month. Baka lumipat ako sa Cebu sa susunod na buwan. He might be waiting for us. He might be waiting for us. Baka iniintay niya tayo. He might lose his job. He might lose his job. Baka mawalan siya ng trabaho. I might have dessert after dinner. I might have dessert after dinner. Baka magpanghimagas ako pagkatapos ng dinner. She might get a raise at work. She might get a raise at work. Baka taasan ang sweldo niya sa trabaho. This might be true. This might be true. Baka totoo to. I might come back next year. I might come back next year. Baka bumalik ako sa susunod na taon. I might need your help on this project. I might need your help on this project. Baka kailanganin ko ang tulong mo sa proyektong ito. He might be stuck in traffic. He might be stuck in traffic. Baka naipit siya sa traffic. It might not be as hard as you think. It might not be as hard as you think. Baka hindi naman ganun kahirap yon kagaya ng iniisip mo. She might not like spicy foods. She might not like spicy foods. Baka ayaw niya ng maaanghang na pagkain. We might go camping on Friday. We might go camping on Friday. Baka mag-camping kami sa Biyernes. I might be a few minutes late. I might be a few minutes late. Baka mahuli ako ng mga ilang minuto. I might not go there. I might not go there. Baka hindi ako pumunta roon. I might have been a little unfair to you. I might have been a little unfair to you. Baka medyo hindi ako naging patas sa'yo. He might be sleeping. He might be sleeping. Baka natutulog siya. I might order a pizza later. I might order a pizza later. Baka umorder ako ng pizza mamaya. I might borrow your camera tomorrow. I might borrow your camera tomorrow. Baka hiramin ko yung camera mo bukas. I might have left the stove on this morning. I might have left the stove on this morning. Baka naiwan kong nakabukas ang kalan kaninang umaga. I might not be able to make it to the meeting. I might not be able to make it to the meeting. Baka hindi ako makaabot sa meeting. There might be a dog in that house. There might be a dog in that house. Baka may aso sa bahay na yan.